Hi.
No, no, come to politicize this food issue.
No.
Please, we are there to support the people. All this while for years together, ask them for the past 22 years since I'm an MLA here. Did anyone trouble them? You ask them.
No. Now
you
what
didn't
is the
trouble.
issue? What
No,
we are not
you are
come
not trouble.
politicize it. Yesterday they said there are three issues. One is that gate. The gate they feel is that gate has to be removed. Secondly, they say that once the stalls were put inside, they were promised that under the pretext of COVID, they were removed here.
They were never to be put there. They were supposed to be put here only.
No. Temporary. आम्हाला भितर आले जाल्यार तो प्रोविजन करपा जाय न्हू गोंयकारांक
अरे गोंयकारांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आमी आहा हिंगा ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमची आय एम जस्ट ट्रायिंग टू टेल यू एक कोण हिंगा आतां तेंका उलय म्हण सांग 1 लाख सांगोली की आमी केन्ना त्रास केले आमलो 22 वर्सां जाले केलेले जाल्यार मग तुमी सांगचे म्हाका आयज पासून तेंचो धंदो चलता आनी आमी प्रोटेक्ट केलो आयज आमी तेंका प्रोटेक्ट पयले म्हाजे पयले इलेक्शनाक हांवें तेंका सांगलेले की आमी तुमच्या बारबरी आहा हांव तुका सांगता तेंका तुमी हिंगा हाडलेले आहा ते खंय येयले ते हांव नको आमचे दिस इज बेस्ट ओनरशिप नो एज अ ऑपोजिशन यू कम अरे गोंयकार आमी आहा हांव तुका बायलो पयले फर्स्ट स्टडी द मॅटर तेंका त्रास केलेले आहा पयले सांग देन यू के सपोज तेंका त्रास केले जाल्यार तूं काम दे
तेंगे ओनली इशू मेजर इशू
अरे आमी मेले हांव तुका मेलो काय आमी आस्किंग यू स्ट्रेट क्वेश्चन You ask them, no?
But yesterday
I am telling you, ask them. You ask them.
आम्ही सराचे आरोप केला आम्ही उलयला सराचे
I am not trying to see. You all are unnecessarily trying to politicize the full issue. Listen to me. Listen to me.
We are not politicizing. It is our duty. When they come, it is our duty.
Unnecessarily to sockle and I don't know to me politicize kota issue.
Baba same
No. I said Baba future सांगता कितें जातलें टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट येताले सगळ्यांक त्रास करूंक लागतले मागीर हांव स्ट्रेट सांगता
ना बट टेस्ट को कितको
डिपार्टमेंट कितें
सी टेंडर कितें
ना कितें हां सी वी नो दैट यू हैव बीन fighting with these people but
there is no doubt about it
your intervention is required
there is a gate
why you are shit steering here everything
we are here in the interest of the people
it looks like we are doing nothing for the interest of the people clearly when you are saying that I am come here in the interest of the people that means you are trying to show that we are doing nothing for them
definitely
what interest you tell me what way can you help okay let me
it is our issue that we have to raise it now the traffic for example they are saying that the buses don't come down that is one issue the police are stopping them they said that girak hinga one zala because initially that whatever they are charging the stalls were there inside this is their second thing and the third is the gate that they want the gate to be removed that is their demand
ultimately what is the point they have been kept here now for them demand to remove the gate don't remove the gate that's not their demand and they are not a part of it but their thing is to run business here as long as they are not effective now what government
they are effective no
I am saying they are not effective no you tell me tell them to tell me no I am here tell them to tell me
ना आता तीन इश्यू आले एक गेटीचो सारखे एक गेटीचो मग तुम सांगिना गेटी इश्यू हा मग एक इश्यू हा बस सकला देवना मग तिसरे आणि एक इश्यू हा तुमगेले ते भितर आसले भितर आले तुम स्टॉल जाय
अरे तेका भितर स्टॉल दिवपाचे नासले तुमका भितर स्टॉल दिवपाचे नासले म्हाका सांग तुमका स्टॉल हिंगा सांगले अरे तिंगा आणली टेम्पररी हिंगा बांधता म्हणून तिंगा गेलेले ते
कापून तू घाल मार ते भितर गेला की
साहेब end of
they can be given stall
they cannot be given stall will be given here only I am telling you gate will remain there because for a simple reason because they have already tendered it and it is ultimately what the money is being collected goans are left free entry money is being basically collected as far as maintenance who is going to the thing you should have seen the state of this jetty some 1 year back ask them only त्याची काही आली का पाडपडली आणली आणली की नाही
लोकांचे इश्यू पयलीं सद्या ते मांग आपयला ना आयकोते आमी काल इश्यू चल आमी गेले आयक
इशू काल इशू आज जाला आज झाला इशू झालो कित्याक तूं जावपाक येना
आमकां पॉलिटिसायज करपा नाका इशू एंड ऑफ द डे आमदार तुमलोच आमी कोण भायर एंड ऑफ द गोंयकारूच आतां काल तो इशू जालो म्हणून आमी येयले आतां आमी येयले सर्वींग पावला मिनिस्टर पावलो आमकां हें करपा नाका एंड ऑफ द डे तुमचे आमदार आनी तुमकां कितें आमकां 3 इशू सांगले ते आमदारान तुगे आमदारान सॉल्व करतलो इतलें तुमकां तुम एश्युरन्स दे कित्याक आमकां जाय तुमकां बरो जालो
म्हाका एश्युरन्स तुमच्या फुडल्यान दिवपाची गरज ना म्हाजेर So I don't want to show that you are come here, so I am giving them assurance. I don't need to give them assurance. I know what is to be done.
Whether we come or whether we don't come, you just resolve their issue. That is self.
No, don't even suggest to me resolve the issue. The issue we are looking into.
Okay, minister is looking into the issue.
तो मिनिस्टरान सांगितलं झालें सो दॅट इज द मेन थिंग
तू येऊन सांगल्या
सर आमकां क्रेडीट घेवपा नाका
क्रेडीट
आमकां क्रेडीट नाका आमकां क्रेडीट घेवपा नाका तो जो इशू काल जाला ताका लागून पावले
ती आमची टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट इज माय अल्टिमेट प्रायोरिटी द रेस्ट एश्योर्ड अबाउट
सर आमच्या गावच्या ना पहिली ही गाडी घेऊन
कोण गाडी घेऊन
ती कोण आली ती स्वराज फोन करायचं ती गाडी ती ना तुमची बसायची बस घालता सांगा टुरिझम आता सर
आता तुम्ही रिक्षा लोन तुम्ही बॉन्ड केले पैसे घेतले आणि तू कोण डिसाईड करपाक पैसे घेवपाचे ना घेवपाचे बाबा ते तू म्हाका सांग बाबा तू हे तुम्ही डिसाईड करून सांगता कोणे सांगला फ्री बस सर्विस कोणे सांगला बाबा पैसे पडना वयर सकयल येवपाक अशी बस आली तेन्ना फ्री येताली पयली बस येताली ना 10 रुपया ते म्हणजे 1947 बाबा हीच जाई दॅट इज नॉट युअर दिस as government will function the way how tourism department basically has removed the tender how thing आमचे कितें how only to protect your interest that is my only thing rest nothing else तुमचे इंटरेस्ट तुमकां कांय डिफिकल्टी जायना ते हे माझी ड्युटी प्रोटेक्ट करपाक कितें
गोल्डन स्टॅच्यू करून दवरले एक 100 रुपीज देता तो इतले मोठी लोक खारी करतो
मागीर सांगपाक तुम्ही आता गोंयांत आमकां तेंच आमची मेंटलिटी तशीच जाला फुकट खावपाचें फुकट घेवपाचें तूं वचून भायर पळय तूं बेंगलोर वच तूं भोंवला आसली बेंगलोर वच बॉम्बे वच सगळ्याक खंय खंयची वच ट्राय करपाय खंय कितें वच खंय पळोवपाक वचूंक जाय पयशे फारीक करूंक जाय सपोज लोक हिंगा दोनपावल येता लोक फारीक करून येताले आनी अल्टिमेटली दोनपावल इज द प्लेस दॅट एवरी टुरिस्ट बेसिकली कम्स ओनली टू विजीट हांव पळय हांव तुका क्लियर सांगता तुमी जे टुरिजमाचे हेतून म्हाका सांग पडटा म्हाका इंट्रस्ट आसा म्हणजे फकत तुमचो धंदो चलपाक तुजो धंदो कसो चलना खंय वच माने येता आतां स्टॉल आतां काय
स्टॉल थिंगा आपल्या कोणी वयता न्हू सर
बाबा तुका थिंगा स्टॉल घालपाचें नासलें हांव तुका स्ट्रेट सांगता लेट मी से
When Parikar was the chief minister, okay, he has notified this as a hawking zone. Till then, the shops are notified by the government itself. Now, before entering the new agreement, they have to de-notify the earlier notification. Without de-notifying the notification itself, and you are entering into agreement itself is bad. How you can enter into agreement without de-notifying the earlier notification?
Technicality of it. Technicality tourism.
So you should know the technicality of it.
Technicality all this.
And then what happened? And another thing is how women are not staying in the village. What they have taken the water, whoever coming within the vicinity to sit there, they have changed the site and they are sitting in the village. And in the night they drink and they disturb our women there. That is the that is the reason this whole problem took place. Now they have taken the new side in the village. They are sitting there on the parapet wall and disturbing the woman there
What
in
side?
the village. Here.
What side?
Huh?
What side?
दोना पावला साईड इन द विलेज
आमच्या गावान सर
आणि आम्ही बोर्ड घातले सगळे गेले काही जाऊ ना
रातचे चेडे चेडवा येतात
ते बाहेर वुमन आर नॉट सेफ नाव इन द विलेज
चेडे चेडवा येतात आम्ही आता सकल रावता ते पारीतीर बसतात बसतात बेरी बॅग घेऊन बसतात रातचे व्हडल्या म्युझिक घालतात
तुम्ही धांवना पाहिजे मग त्यांना तुम्ही किती होता
ते मारून येतात ते रातचे
अरे तुम्ही गावचा तुमचं मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट एक वोट सांगू यू शुड नॉट सो यू शुड नॉट अलाउ यू शुड नॉट बट यू शुड नॉट अलाउ दिस थिंग
कोड बरा अंकुश बरा आहे रे ऐक रे कोड अंकुश बरा
Due respect to you, please don't get that issue now and then.
No, I'm not getting. This is the issue that they are raising. No, I'm not. Where am I getting the issue?
The issue now what happened?
आता हिंगा तर गेट ओपन असतो ते हिंगा बसताले न्हू पहिले आता
कोण बसताले
आमचो गांवचो गोंयचो लोक येताले भुरगे हिंगा बसो रिलॅक्स करता पळय मरे आता कितें जाता आठांक बंद जाता म्हणटकूच ते येवन हिंगा बसता हे सायडीन हिंगा फारीक केला हिंगा बसता रातचे आमी जावं एक 9 जावं एक 10 पासून आमी बायलो भायर येता जाय कितें उडोवपाक येता कसलो उडोवनाका हिंगा ते आमकां अनकम्फर्टेबल फील जाता भिरांत दिसता भायर येवपाक तितलें तुका समजून घे की मातशें हें गेट उक्तें दवरून लाय
No, gate ukti करून see gate I cannot keep open. I will tell you I cannot keep gate open because there is a certain thing as far as tourism department has come up with it.
पण आमकां नाकाच न्ही सर गेट आमकां नाका ती नाका पूण तुका हांवें दिसता सर
Our thing is our issue is not to protect gang interest as far as their focus is concerned.
What is the suggestion? Talk to tourism minister and resolve it. No.
If you keep it open, it will become all a mess.
They are trying to take away Goan business and giving the business to outside.
What business?
Now
What business?
see they are trading there and that business is notified by the government itself.
Right,
Okay.
fine,
Now you remove them. Saying
Baba, I didn't remove them. They were supposed to be fixed here. They were never supposed to be put there.
Yeah, but what happened? They have
No. So let us not misguide them. It was here. This was the place. After that gate, this was the place.
that place that it is a hawking zone and that notification I am telling you.
The notification of hawking zone is this. Baba.
No, there.
That was not a hawking zone.
See, I'll also, you want to see the notification? I got a
But
notification.
that is not a hawking zone at all. This was the place where they were there. I understand they were there.
See, when I became first councillor 1995, we proposed this as a hawking zone. That I showed to the Manohar Parrikar, I showed our advocate, Mr. Natkani. He called Natkani and accordingly we notified this as a hawking zone. They are there, all the stalls, they are shown on this as a on this line and they are operating as
Now you see the plan. This is the plan which they have shown.
now they are trying to change.
Not right. They have changed it.
Now
This is
the
plan.
benefit for what benefit? See, there is 3 points. One, they say that local bus coming there.
Yeah.
That has to be resolved.
Yes.
One is the Tungale request of yours to put that gate is causing nuisance. So whatever law and order situation can arise.
Mr. Yuri, they one which they have played. I'll be telling you. They said they are allotting shops here and they have given me sort of agreement. And that agreement shows that they had been given stalls elsewhere at Budh Bangla side. And they are asking them to sign there. Not here.
They are not asking them to sign.
सांगता सर आमकां सायन मार सांगला तेणी
They have given me as a
सर तुका हांव कितेंय जावं सांगता न्हू सांगना
इंगा दितले इंगा तुका नाही तुका 1000 पाटी सांगलेले हांव लगून तेन्ना थिंगा येयलो ते मीटिंग आमी केल्ले इंगा आसतले म्हणून सांगलेले
पूण तुका सदांच हांव सांगता न्हू सर
approved plan also shows
सांगना
that they should sign as per that agreement that they should sign that stall will be given only on survey number 154-1, that is Budh Bangla on top. That
has been changed and they have marked this place as a
then
hawking zone.
Then I put a letter on record. They are not responding that letter.
आता आमकां येवंकूच ना सर
तो ओरिजिनल आता सर लोकांकडून ऑलमोस्ट
हें जालेलें आहा तें
बरें आतां तुमगेलो आमदार सांगता ते कितें जालां आमकां इश्यूज आनी एंड ऑफ द डे तुमकां त्रास जावपा नाका आतां मिनिस्टर या आमदारूय आहा तुमगेलो लेट हिम रिजॉल्व आमी आमगेले काल इश्यू ना ना आम वयताय
that word resolve you just remove
ओके रिजॉल्व ओके नो नो प्रॉब्लम जाला आमकां जाय आमकां पॉलिटिक्स जावपा नाका आमकां तुमगे कितें कामां तें जावपा जाय रिजॉल्व मुद्दे उतर काडे
पॉलिटिक्स जाल्यार आनी फोंडान बसतली हांव तुका पयलीं सांगता
सो तुगे आमदार कितें कोता तेजेर तुमी एग्री जावपाचें हॅपी जावपाचें तुमगे स्टँड आमदार तुमकां जाय तें स्टँड
काल आम्ही we called our MLA Jennifer Monserrate, we called her. We had meeting with her.
जेनिफर आणि मनसुरात
We called her and we told her our problem. And she said she will resolve
No,
it.
but madam,
Are see, listen to me. Just giving assurance easily resolved. Certain things cannot be resolved. Certain things you need to have a compromise. You should understand that. You cannot stand. There's a saying, no, don't be too soft that you can be bent and too hard that you can be broken. So some give and take is necessary. Our thing is what we need to basically protect their interests. That is our ultimate priority. That's what we have said.
No,
And we are looking into that.
Mr. Monserrate, see, here we find they are not trying to protect our interest, they are trying to destroy our interest.
They are not.
Our interest is different than what is their interest.
No, forget what tourism.
That is why what happened,
what tourism
we
department
have
has got to do. That is a separate issue. I am here only as far as their hawking zone is concerned to protect that. That is my my.
No, but you instruct the police and all of them that the transport ache and the gate even we will this for a gate if it is causing some
The gate is what happened. They are taking entry fee from outside. That is basically a revenue which is being generated. Ultimately, you require money to maintain that. You ask anyone from here what was the state of this jetty 1 year back. So you require money to maintain.
They
so you can basically not
more
this
than
thing.
3 crores.
4 crores.
4 crores
For
okay.
that thing.
So where is that jetty today? Where is that jetty today? That jetty is not existing. It is gone. Corroded. Substandard work has been carried out.
त्याचे टेक्निकल एक बागी उलोवप
तेच आहा, ओके.
इशू
ना, तुका सांगता.
आम उलोवया कित्याक तो मुखार आनी मागीर वाडवत वयतले आमकां आतां सद्या प्रेझेंटली आमगे गोंयकारांक कितें जाता साहेबान सांगले त्या प्रमाणे आम रिजॉल्व म्हणटा उतर काढा सो वॉट एवर इज देर एक्सपान्स केले एक्सपान्स कोताय आनी थँक्स जाय तें जातलें अशें म्हणून मिनिस्टर आम सांगला मिनिस्टरान सांगला ओके जालें
Thank गिराक जावपा जाय गिराक जायना
काही जायना कितें जाता लेफ्ट सायड आली ती they said they what they said we are repairing our vessel you vacate this place they vacated the jetty now what happened after vacating they are not
So tourists come because tourists need to have a free passage. So that is the reason this was extended. This was extended to basically see that the hawkers come here. When Parikar was there, it was that time. Not now. When I was in Parikar, Goa, that time it was.
What I'm saying now government has given you a notified zone or maybe probably कितें बांधून दिला बांधला सो तातून तुमकां कितें मॉडिफिकेशन कितें तुमी सांगता टुरिजमा कडेन उलोवन नाव युअर पॉयंट वॉज दॅट की भायलो येवन हांगा धंदो करपा जायना करेक्ट न्हू दॅट वॉज ओनली तशें न्ही समज थंय तुगे ऑफर जर थंय ना इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट इट इज कमिंग हियर इट्स नॉट हार्मिंग
now they have put that gate now
गेट एक काडपाचो वन
yes
How do you expect to get revenue? You just tell me.
आता म्हाका सांग आता टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट समुद्रार कोण सगळ्यांकडे एंट्री घेता की नाही तू सरकारान दुसरे कडेन बजेट कर म्हणून हांगा एंट्री कितली जाता रेव्हेन्यू
सरकार म्हळ्यार तूं
तू हे टुरिझम मिनिस्टरा कडेन म्हाका दिसता उलय की बाबा तुगे हो रेव्हेन्यू आपल्या मतदारसंघात नाका दुसरे कडेन
We had this meeting with the tender, everything has been done for that.
Now what happened by putting this gate, I'll tell you. We have spoken, we had meeting. Our women are not safe in the village. All these boys who used to enter inside sit here, okay, till morning, Okay, they are sitting on the parapet wall, and our women in the village, they are not safe. And that is this woman and all these women, they raise this point. Every day they are coming to me, and they are telling me last night what has happened, previous night what has happened. So when
I think they home minister patrolling.
we put food, everything we have put. आणि पोलिसांकडे ते झगडटा, पोलिसांना ऐकवलं.
ते तुही हांगा वचपा जायना एक्चुअली खरं म्हणल्यार तुमी ते तू म्हणटा पळय न्ही
टाइम जालो काबार जाले उठून वचपाचें.
आणि आता क्रिसमस,
that is the reason. At least there is a time missing here. Now only no. At least there is a time missing. You cannot keep you cannot keep anyone 24 hours there. You know, there are different security reasons, so many reasons they may be as far as government. Government will come with many reasons. Now, as far as those people who are loafing around in that this thing, those we will tell basically police to tackle with.